There'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two. Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a computer's on fire. There's a heat wave rolling in. You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Hello, yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Hello, yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. Don't shed a tear or two for good.
Hey guys, so I just got back from church and I know that I have not spoken to you guys all through this vlog. So I went to church. My phone battery died, so I could not capture or vlog any of those moments, but I went to church and church was really good. And sadly, I'm missing out on an hangout that will be happening on Saturday, and I happen to be working that day, so I would not be going. So I have not had anything to eat all through today, but I had a cup of tea at church after the service. So I'm just going to go downstairs now and figure out something to eat because I'm starving.